What's up, everybody? It's your boy Benny here at STPDIESEL, and here we go again with another shop action episode. And today I want to talk about a little LML Duramax that you see here behind me with the cab up. We're doing some major upgrades to the engine and adding some more power to her. And to introduce the little parts that we have going in is my helper Mila. Mila, tell them what we got.
So all we have is high performance car parts. So we have high pressure pumps and fuel injectors and turbo.
Okay, close enough. Okay, so she identified the parts but pointed at the wrong thing. Now let's go over that. Here we go. We have some 30% over fuel injectors from our guys at SNS. We have a CP3 conversion, a modified CP3 conversion from SNS Fuel, and of course the only VGT turbo we recommend for any Duramax owner is from our guys at Calibrated Power Stealth Turbos. This one right here is a 67mm. As you guys see, I got my boy Felix back there. We did send off these cylinder heads to the machine shop, right, to get rectified. So anytime we do a head gasket on any truck here, we send the cylinder heads out to our local machine shop and they check them for cracks, warpness, and then they do a complete valve job on them. So when we get them back, they look like this, real nice and clean. And then we install them with new OEM gaskets, ARP studs. Combination is everything. It's not all about money. Money cannot always solve your problems. So we work with the best guys in the industry to help give our clients the best results on the combination. We have had great results from this combo here, 30% modified CP3 and with this particular here and turbo here. And I cannot stress enough that you have to be able to feed these performance fuel systems with the one and only fast fuel system there. Thank you guys again for all the love and support. If you guys have any questions on any of the products that we feature here on our shop action episode, always feel free, give us a call at the office or hit us up on social media. We're always willing to help. Peace.